Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting LibreCAD tutorial. Today we're going to draw a musical note symbol from scratch, step by step. Alright, let's get started. As usual, we'll first activate some snap functions in LibreCAD, like free snap, snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap to intersection. Okay, create a circle, select circle tool, select center point circle, left click to put the circle, and type in the command line the radius is 18, type 18 and press enter. We got the circle, and right click to exit the tool, select horizontal line tool and type the length. Make sure the middle points is 1. Okay, 1. And type the length for horizontal 100. Okay, select snap point middle, left click at the center of our circle, right click. Okay, now select a vertical line tool, type the length in the box, maybe 200, and select snap point start, left click at the right side of the circle. Right click to exit the tool. Okay, now use parallel line tool. We will create this part. Select parallel and type in the box the distance. The distance is 15. Type 15. Number 1, middle point is 1. Left click. Okay. At the left side of the vertical line we have created before. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Okay, select again parallel line tool. I want to create this part. Okay, from the picture we know the distance is 112.5. Okay, type in the distance 112.5. okay, left click above the horizontal line. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, now I think we should delete this one. And select trim tool, select trim, left click at the circle and the line we want to trim, and right click to exit the tool. Okay, we will use trim tool. Select trim tool, left click for the first line and the second line, right click to exit the tool. Now use divide tool. Okay, select divide, left click at the circle, the point, the circle again, and the point, right click. Okay, we can delete this part. Okay, next I think we should create this angel line. Okay, select the line and choose rotate tool, select rotate, left click at the center of the rotation center. Okay, and left click at the reference point, maybe there, and the 180, maybe like this. Oh, maybe we will use negative. 108. Oh, 108 or sorry, 108. Okay, we repeat the rotate tool again. Yeah, use negative 108 and click OK. Oh, there's problem. I'm sorry. Oh, not this line. I'm sorry. Okay, select this vertical, sorry, this vertical line. Okay, select rotate tool, left click at the rotation center and the reference point. Okay, bring the line back. Oh yes, correct the angle 108 and select keep original, click OK. Yes. Maybe we can delete this one and the distance. Okay, select parallel tool, okay, and type in the box the distance 22.5. left click below the line. Okay, right click, now select trim tool again, left click, okay, right click to exit the tool. Now select again parallel line tool, select parallel line and we got the distance 52.5. type in the box 52.5 and left click at the right side of the vertical line there. Okay, right click to exit the tool and we will use trim tool to extend the line. Select trim tool, select the line, okay, select this line and select the line we want to extend. Okay, next right click to exit the tool. I think we will use copy tool, select the shape and select copy tool and left click at the reference point, maybe this point, bring the shape into the point. Okay, select keep original, click OK, press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Okay, now select trim tool. Okay, left click for the first line and the second line, first line, the second line. Okay. Right click. Okay, we can delete this one. Oh, select again trim to first line and the second line, right click to exit the tool. Okay, we got the shape follow. Okay, select all the shape and we will join the shape. We'll join the line into polyline. Okay, select all the lines and select create polyline from existing segments. Okay, the last touch, select the shape and select heads tool and mark solid fill, click OK, press ESC on your keyboard and then select the head sync area and select attributes and change the color. Okay, change and click OK. Yes. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching our video from LibreCAD tutorial. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy our video. Bye.